All right, hey, what's going on, guys? So what I have is an Xbox One X, and this one is saying invalid format. Last video I made like this was for an Xbox One S. So I'm gonna try the eject button and the power button method and see if it works, because a lot of people were saying in the comment section that it didn't work for them. And I wasn't sure if it only worked for the Xbox One S and not for the X. Maybe it's a sync button for the X, I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and let's try it. All right, so here we are at the Xbox One X, and it's already taken apart. I had to repair the HDMI port. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and hook up this cable. This is for the eject button. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it up, and then we're gonna test to see if it's actually different on this model. And there it is, it's connected up. HDMI cable is connected. Let's plug up the power cable. Got a power cord plugged in, and I'm going to hold the power button and the eject button. And that's all it does. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's try connecting up the actual sync button and see if that changes things. And actually, you know what? Let me turn on the screen so you guys can see that. And you should see invalid format. You might can barely see it in yellow. Let's see if I can zoom in on that for you guys. Nope. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's turn it off again. This time we're gonna try, it might be all three of them. And you hold it, wait for the second beep. There we go, that was the second beep. And let's see, and there it is. So it is actually the sync button and not the eject button on the Xbox One X. So if you have this problem where it says invalid format, maybe you went to a friend's house or something like that, and your environment has changed, so the TV setting is different. Maybe you're rocking 4K, the next person is 1080p, and you need to play. When you go there, just hold on the Xbox One X, hold the power button and the sync button at the same time for about 30 seconds. Wait for the second beep. The first beep is the console turning on. The second beep is a resolution reset. And there it is. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.